Look at all this pineapple. Ay, this apple. This mangoes.
Pero así de dicha estoy. Así estoy. De que no voy vuelta atrás ni para allá.
Oh, open it. They're like 97 cents. That's not good. Let's see. How much is this? Let's get some bananas. Let's get some bananas. Oh, they're organic. Where's the regular? See, it said organic. Huh? I'm gonna look for tilapia. Oh, right here on the bottom. That's $30. You know how much is that? Look, right out. To look for ground beef. How much is that? Is that the price? Oh my lord. And these, how much is this one? I think I'm just gonna get this one. This is the price, right? Extra lean. Come on, let's go get some. How much is that? No, I don't like that one. What about that one? Yeah. How much is that one? There's nothing. Maybe that one. No? Oh, look, tilapia fillet. Okay, you can get that one. Do you eat these? Tilapia fillet? Or no? They don't have the leg quarter, huh? Are these leg quarter or just like drumstick? Man, everything's so expensive.
Yeah, leg quarter all done right here.
Yeah.
You can always come back and get another leg quarter.
Maybe this one. Man, everything's so expensive.
Yeah.
Oh, yo, look at these. Oh, look. Some Filipino people, they love chicken feet. Look at the nail. Oh. I'm looking for turkey wings. Where? I don't see
No,
no
see
turkey
wings.
wings. Oh, it's right there. That's wings, right?
Yeah.
That's eight.
You want this one?
Yeah.
Huh?
We need to get two. We need to get one more, babe. There. Now we're gonna look for laundry detergent and dishwashing soap. I don't see no laundry detergent here. Huh? Dishwashing soap. A lot of bread. So many bread. I'm looking for green tea. Oh, here. I found it. I love this green tea. I need to get two. We're looking for honey. Honey. Oh yeah, I see right there. See the big one? Yay, we found honey. Here. How much is this one? $9? Oh my God, look at that one.
It's raw honey.
Oh, you want to get this one? How much is that?
It doesn't
40.
say.
Yeah, let's get that one. Oh. This is the same one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, pure. See? Pure. Is that the same? We get this one, pure. Let's get that one.
This is $12.
That's the same one.
No, it's not. Same brand, different.
What is this one? MN Cron ALMB. ALM.
This is $12.
Let's get that one. Here. They don't have the big one. This is the biggest one they have. There's no bigger than these. This is not big. I guess I get it then. And broccoli. Oh, here. Get this. Broccoli. Cauliflower. And cabbage. These are our vegetable. Now let's look for the protein. I'm looking for my protein. Here you go, I found it. Oh, it's $22. Protein powder. This one is $19. Calcium, vitamins A, C, and D. I get that one. I'm gonna get this one. Core Power. So we're done shopping. I think I got everything that we need for the whole month. That is groceries. Look at all this, y'all. Hello, how you doing? All these. So we done grocery shopping. So many people. Oh, look at that nice car. Mercedes. So this is all what I spent today, almost $200, y'all. Everything is so expensive now here in the USA. We're here, at least in Florida, the groceries are too expensive. So I almost spent like $200 for the groceries, but I hope it will last for the whole month. But anyway, at least I got what we needed for now. And thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate it. And please like and make a comments and subscribe, which is my YouTube channel is Pinay Real Life in the USA. Thank you. You'll have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye-bye.